What's up, guys? So it's 20th October, Thursday, expiry day. It was one hell of a expiry. Market was just going up and down. The calls were extremely cheap, and with just 100-point move, and there used to be a spike in the IVs as well as the premium. It was a very difficult market today. However, we were able to successfully come out with a profit of somewhere around 4,000 rupees. If I'll take you to the chart of Bank Nifty today, you can see that 40,100 call and put both were breached by the end of the day. Luckily, if it would have been breached even before, or like before 3:30 or something like that, we would have definitely incurred some loss. But since the it was an expiry day and it happened post 3:15, so we were saved and we were able to come out in the profit. Today, Nifty and Bank Nifty were completely out of sync. Nifty was going all the way up, Bank Nifty was going down. However, both of them catched up at the end of the day. So it's a good sign for upcoming markets. So yeah, so even if you also want to learn option trading, if you want to also invest your money, learn trading investing, subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and hopefully even you I'll be sharing some strategies soon. Then even you will be also able to make consistent profit out of market. Yeah, thank you, have a great day.